bumili na ako ng alcohol. Guys, ito yung mga damit na ayusin ko. Dinidisassemble kasi ang dumi, guys. Yun, guys, nalinis na natin.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still stop you in the bed you used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to sleep? Can we face something? Can we?
Good morning, guys. So, it's day 3. And as you can see sa aking background, hindi pa rin ako tapos. Wala pa akong tulog since yesterday. As in, wala pa. Zero sleep.
Change like the seasons. I wanna make her better.
Guys, you know, this moisturizer is my holy grail. Totoo talaga siya, guys.
I wanna wear her sweater.
Like, ang ganda niya sa face and pati yung brightening nila na ganito, yung panggabi. Ito kasi pang morning. Ganito.
And the better taste of you. Now I'm drunk on Chardonnay that I bought for our picnic day, and we never never got to drink it. So I'm writing what I'm thinking. You could have told me sooner, I was sure that it was me. You used to want to hold me close, you used to want all of me. What's the reason for your tears, and what's the reason for your fears? In my mind,
Guys, I'm not yet done kasi umalis kami. So, ngayon ko palang medyo aayusin kasi di ko pa rin talaga siya matatapos ngayon. So, medyo aayusin ko na lang siya, no? Aray. Baba natin, guys. Yan. Perfect. Aalis kasi ako ngayon. May shirt ako. So, aalis kasi ako ngayon. Doon ako matutulog sa tita ko. So, may iiwan ko talaga siya dito. So, kailangan ko siyang isort. Tapos, bahala na yung mga kapatid ko magbalik. Pero ito yung damitan ko. I'm trying na ma-fit in ko siya lahat dyan. Kasi may mga nakakalat pa na mga damit ko dyan. Nakahalo-halo pa kasi. So, sana mag-kasya, guys. I think, for now, magkakasya naman siya. Grabe, no? Parang 2 days ng ganito yung nakikita niya sa vlog ko. Hey guys, nagpabili na ako ng alcohol na display. Kasi ubos na rin yung ginagamit ko nung nakaraan. Holy Grail. Wow. This is my necessity talaga pag naglilinis. Ito, tsaka tissue. Tsaka basahan na bilog. At Tide. Sobrang bango talaga ng Green Cross, guys. Iniwan ko na kayo dyan. Sobrang bango talaga ng Green Cross. Yung Total Defense, yung 5-in-1. Very cute lang yung amoy niya. Hindi nakakahilo, hindi masyadong matapang, gano'n. Pupunasan ko lang to. Tagal lang na-stock ng drawer na to. Puro mga unused things. Dito ko din nilagay yung libro ko na pinamigay ko. Hindi ko nalibasa. So, ganyan lang muna siya. Kasi guys, paalis na ako in less than 30 minutes. Or so. Kailangan ko pang ayusin yung damit ko. So crazy. Hey guys, so ngayon, it's my rest day. I'm currently at my cousin's house. I just finished watching Resident Playbook episode 1 and it's so nice. But I'm gonna be going upstairs. I can higa and watch the next episode. Lol.
鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれが永遠だって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるけれど
I'm going to try Mingyu's ramen recipe. Magpa-fry muna ako ng egg and chorizo para may ma-pair ko dun.
可愛くして喋らん方が可愛いなって言うけど名前も知らんあんたのために笑ってるふり上手みんなだわ古い公園で doll goes missing a thousand three lights and the world keeps twisting wrapped up in shades that are just blank faces. Oh, となし